Hello and welcome to this course. I am so happy to have you here. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you an overview of where you can find the most important information that you need to be successful. And I'm going to orient you a little bit to get the most out of this course. When you log in to this course, when you enroll, you'll be taken to a page that looks exactly like this. You can continue straight to lecture 1, which is probably what you did to watch this video. However, if you want to find other pieces of information, you can come right here to the course content section. I recommend beginning after this video to go straight to the 6 tips. This is a high value course, so you'll get 6 incredible tips to help you get started right away. Also, if you have an idea of what kind of consulting business you want, section 2, plan and manage your consultancy, is a great resource. You can help determine your availability. You can think about a case study. I included a case study of what the most important components of a consultancy looks like. And this is perfect for anyone who has an idea and wants to convert that into a business. But let's say you already have a business. Then I would recommend diving straight into section 3. Here, in how to market your freelance business effectively, you learn how to convert your audience to your customers. I give you an overview of where to find freelance gigs so you can get started immediately, and give you some ideas about how to use speaking engagements to build your audience. Once you've done that, I recommend jumping straight into section 4. You can gather resources on how to learn how to price your product, how to invoice your clients, how to use Skype to support your customers, and how to integrate customer feedback. As you go through this course, I recommend using the course content in a way that helps you solve your immediate problems and helps you predict how to do your work more efficiently. If at any time you have questions, you come right up here to the top to the question and answer. You can search for a question or you can ask me a question. You can also bookmark at any point during the course and look out for any announcements. If you complete the 15 items, you can get a certificate of completion by clicking on this trophy right here. And that'll be incredibly valuable for you as you go forward. Well, that's it from me. I'll see you in the next lecture, and I hope you enjoy this course. Welcome to you.